Here is a look at this small handheld 20 volt battery operated router from DEWALT. Now, it's definitely not the router you're going to put in your router table. It's not powerful like that, but it's got a bunch of nice features. And the best one is that it is totally portable. This is finally a router you can carry in your toolbox, in your truck, or just pull out on a job. And it's not like you're pulling out a massive router system. As for adjustments, you got a speed dial here. I usually keep it turned up, but you can adjust that right here. You just need to loosen this ski boot buckle, pop these teeth, and you can adjust the depth. You can also twist it in to get exactly the right depth. This is the lock for the key when you take your bits out, and it's got that clear plate, which is actually really cool. It means you can see your work a lot better, and like you saw when you fire this guy up, it lights up. So in the dark or in dark spots, you're a little bit better off taking a look at your work. If there is a downside to this router, it's just that it's small. You know, it's not a big monster, powerful router for busting out just miles and miles of trim work. But with that said, that's like the best thing about it. It is small, convenient. I've found for DEWALT tools, the 20 volt battery lasts forever in this thing. I don't know what's up with that. It just does not suck a whole lot of power. You know, if you're running a small circular saw with a 20 volt battery, you know, it's only going to go 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but this thing will actually run forever. It just doesn't take a lot of juice. All right, that's a look at this brushless 20 volt router from DEWALT. Awesome little tool. Not perfect, but I still really like it.